Hello, Attorney Krish.
Hello, good afternoon.
Okay, so ngayon, Attorney, malapit na mag-exam.
They still have a few months left for the bar examination. One thing I would like to advise sa mga magte-take ng bar exam is first, they really have to focus sa kung anong materials na hawak nila ngayon.
Okay.
Because one of the, nangyayari sa mga barristers natin, especially if malapit na yung bar exam, ang ginagawa nila is they collect many bar reviewers because thinking that using other materials will help them. But at the end of the day, it will just consume their time, and ang nangyayari is mas nagiging pressured sila and na hindi nila nakakayang tapusin at least one of the materials. So, I suggest as early as now, they have to decide kung anong material yung babasahin at ulit-ulitin nila. Para at least yung confidence nila when they enter the examination room andoon. Kasi mahirap na papasok ka ng examination room and you're still thinking, hindi ko natapos yung material, may sinabi silang ganito na babasahin, hindi ko nabasa. So, pag bumababa yung confidence natin, pagpasok pa lang ng room, minsan nang mental block na tayo. And that is a big factor when you take the exam. You have to be confident of what you have read and reviewed for the past months na binigay sa'yo. Second would be, get some rest, especially pag malapit na talaga. And especially pag the night before the bar examination. I know yung mga nag-take ng bar examination before, they would agree with me na it would also require good health to take the bar exam. Kasi hindi pwedeng wala kang tulog. May mga barristers tayo na nakakatulog during the examination kasi mentally exhausted na sila. Pagod na talaga. So, that is a big no-no na hindi ka natutulog, hindi mo inalagaan yung health mo. Dapat chine-check natin yan. Kasi kailangan yun. And also, third would be, as much as possible, always bring and read your caudals. That would be your saving grace during the examination na kasi you cannot bring all the materials sa examination center. First, masyadong mabigat. Second, hindi mo na yun mababasa pagdating sa examination venue mo. So, as much as possible, very light lang, konting yung last minute tips ng mga reviewers or yung caudals mo. Ikaw nang bahala kung anong gusto mong isulat sa caudals mo para ma-remember mo. Especially sa remedial, that is very important. There was once sa bar exam namin sa 2022, yung question sa bar examination, ang answer niya mismo is yung sa caudal talaga. So, it really matters if you are so familiar with your caudal. It will really help. So, minsan kasi sobra nating sigurista, gusto nating dalhin lahat ng mga materials pagdating sa examination center, but I will tell you, hindi mo na yan siya ma-open. So, as much as possible, if you have your notes, bring it with you. Yung mga last minute tips, usually mga 10 to 12 pages lang yan. Then, if you have your caudals, yan, pakidala yan. So, kahit yung tatlo lang, your notes, your last minute tips, and your caudals, makakasurvive ka na. And at the end of the day, kung ano yung pinag-aralan mo, pinag-reviewhan mo for the past months, trust yung mga lecturers ninyo, yung mga na-review ninyo, doon na kayo, yun na yung basis ninyo. Do not expect na mababasa mo lahat ng mga reviewers, hindi talaga makakaya yun. So, kung anong meron ka, gamitin mo yun. Okay? So, you have to, first is you have to stick with your kung anong reviewers mo. Second, you have to watch your health dapat alagaan mo yung health mo, take some rest, matulog ng maayos. And third, sa materials mo, pagdating mo sa examination na bring your caudal, your notes, and your last minute tips. Pwede na yun.
So, attorney, I heard that you have a good grade in remedial or the civil procedure. And para sa iba, yan ay talagang killing subject or ano ba, killer, yung gano'n. So, paano ba siya naging madali sa'yo? Or hindi man, paano mo siya na-embrace yung remedial law or the civil procedure?
Actually, hindi naman talaga siya, hindi ako nadalian sa remedial.
Okay.
The fact that I know how hard remedial law is, mas doon ako nagbigay ng effort. Kasi during our time, it is 25% of the total score mo sa bar examination. So what I did sa remedial law is, sinulat ko talaga yung walls, puno yan ng mga remedial laws, like paano yung mga procedure, ano yung gagawin. And may mga provisions talaga sa law na you really have to memorize.
Like, ano po?
Minsan may mga...
Or is it about anong kailangan?
Like yung procedure, anong gagawin. Minsan nga, meron pang mga examiners that would ask for a specific amount, dates, number of days. That is also important. So, hindi pwedeng, hindi naman siguro ako tatanungin ni examiner ng ganito. Pero, it's a plus point if you are familiar or you have memorized, especially yung mga provisions na every now and then napapansin mo, pabalik-balik. Paulit-ulit nilang tinatanong. So, might as well memorize those provisions. Like, especially yung may mga amounts na, may mga days, and important yun. So, sa remedial, I don't think there is a shortcut to study the remedial law, but you really have to be diligent enough na i-take notes lahat yung usually na doon kinukuha ng mga examiners yung tanong.
Okay.
Minsan, there was also a barrister just recently. She texted me, ate, anong dapat kong gawin? Kasi medyo mahina ako sa taxation. I-incorporate niya raw ang taxation sa commercial. So, kailangan pa ba daw niyang basahin yung buong dimaampaw na taxation book? And I told her, just focus sa reviewer mo. If pwedeng you just finish yung online review mo, yung lecturer, and I think you are good to go. You don't have to read from cover to cover the dimaampaw. It would take time, and I don't think na hindi naman, you really have to be wise.
Especially in the last minute, no?
Yes, yes.
Kasi parang imposibleng matapos yung cover to cover.
So, kumbaga ba, you have to have that parang strategy kung ano yung points na mas pinofocus mo kung saan ka magbibigay talaga ng mas malaking time. Kasi if you will try to, sige, basahin ko na nga lang pang cover to cover, I don't think you will remember all that. So, as early as now, you have your notes, your caudal, your last minute tips, then okay na yan.
Alright, so sana maraming papasa sa bar examination this September. Thank you very much, Attorney Alcover, for the wonderful sharing about how to pass the bar exam, the strategy. And I hope to see you again, Attorney.
Okay, sige, thank you.